Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other website to you just watching advertisement. They pay you your cryptocurrency. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. A lot of videos I upload in this YouTube channel, and watch my all videos and you can make much more cryptocurrency with all of these accounts. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the website I'm going to talking about, and this website is very wonderful, and this is much more times for running. Okay, this is all about earning, and this is all about advertisement. A lot of people come here, post their hats and they're making, and this much members this website has, and this is the all website delivery to pay. Okay, this is all deposit. A lot of people just deposit, and this is the all withdrawals from this website. Okay, and you can make your account first. The account making account is very easy. Just click sign up now, and you just watch advertisement and you can earn much more. Okay, just put your username, email, password and confirm password. Just click this one and you can make it. Now I have account, just I sign in. Okay, and I show you how to you can make. Okay, this is right now my balance. I'm making this account very new, and I show you the withdrawal proof after 10 days. Okay, the first one is surfing hats. You can just watching advertisement and you can earn. Okay, just I click. Surfing ads is very easy. Just watch this ads for 60 seconds and this much Satoshi this website page. Just click start, come back, don't close this window. Okay, just come back, wait until this seconds end, and I come back after that seconds end. Okay, now you can see successfully viewing. No need any capture, just click this one, and this one pay you this message. This is very easy to earn. Okay, the next step is active window. Active window is one other best way. Just for website to view this one, just click start. Need active window. Active window means to stay in this video window to you click to starting hoping. Okay, just wait until the finishing this much things seconds. Okay, 2 1 and 0. Show me, click the cryptocurrency icon. This one is the cryptocurrency icon, not this my Satoshi. This one, me just closing the window and just come here, just reload the page, refresh the page, and you can watch this one. Okay, this is very easy. You can just watch and you can earn. Okay, I show you about withdrawal, how you can withdraw your funds. The minimum withdrawal is this much Satoshi. Okay, you can just put your Satoshi, how much Satoshi Bitcoin wallet address, and put your amount to withdraw. You can click to withdraw your funds. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is this much, and you can reach very fast. If you want to affiliate your friends, just click affiliate. You can copy your referral link. This is your referral link, and paste your send to your friends, and after they come and join this link, they pay you 10% of commission. Okay, this is very easy. Just watch advertisement and you can earn much more cryptocurrency just watching advertisement. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos.